The Hunter and the Pigeon. Once there was a flock of pigeons who lived together. One day they saw a lot of grains on the ground. They were happy as they were very hungry and were searching for food. They flew down to eat the grains, but they got trapped in the net. The pigeons were very scared as the trap was laid by the hunter, and they thought that they were going to die. Then the wise leader of the flock said, "Don't be afraid. We can all fly together with the net and escape." So all the pigeons flew together, and the net flew with them. On the way, the leader told them, "My rat friend will help us." They reached the rat's hole and called out the rat. The rat came out and saw the pigeon friend and other pigeons in trouble. He called his other friends and cut the net with their sharp teeth. Soon, the pigeons were free from the trap. They thanked the rats and flew away happily. So kids, the moral of the story is unity is strength.